Ebusunya ka say heat highway no so ayeshe me no ka say Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo, a former member of parliament at the Madome Kwabenya constituency, me no ka say there was sending a strong warning at the Honorable Kennedy Akompre in Japan, former member of parliament at the Marsen Central. Afei otaso di bi akwa Honorable Bryan a champion. Na ni nani so say en kan kire omo say Dr. Bawumia onye finance minister. Anana onye finance minister. Enyo na hwega na sika asem so. Eno nti Saudi economy no ye campaign. Na o ka say Dr. Bawumia ma fail economy na den ya o se kan kire o say se bi predu asa. Wa adwen na kaka kre san say na finance minister a no wo under Akufo-Addo ye papa Kennedy Kenneth Ofori Atta and I say Ken Ofori Atta ona na finance minister under Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. I don't think so be a blaming for the economy there. Or some country say the person you can blame Ken Ofori Atta name no and yet Dr. Bawumia, the former vice president and I say immediate vice president. Or see he's not the one to be blamed for the economy name no Kenneth Ofori Atta.
Dr. Bawumia, no your finance minister. Mibisamo, Dr. Bawumia, no your finance minister. Yanti abamu na ya MP speaker say, send your speaker say mu airco, enko yiye, iti yama your finance minister, onko tinasi, yama ne ko tinasi. Wa njija na wi ansa ne yama na kofie. Na we ye this one Dr. Bawumia. We ye mate. Now wo master twika na. Wo ti be kwa wo master to nchai e ko twika no. No kura ni yankantia. Na ya niama bossa ye kasa ye ntie pension for ye sa ko bo mutike mu eniama bebre ena ma 2024 ye lose elections enya one individual enya Dr. Bawumia ena ye bibia na ye ho aye Ghana fo ehi esa no mo kasa ye dey
enti ebusu ensem a eye Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo e dey to dwa na chese me no kokohtie e dey baaye no. Now, Makasa said we actually several times say the problem we have in the NPP, nipa mienu. Kennedy Akompre Japan, and a Bryan a champion. But say second was a Bryan champion who cool it down a crap. Said Mo say Sani and Samo Caninano, Wajai. Once about you class was your campaign, you go so your campaign, yes. But what got Nasi Adrian said, David, no what chance by 2036 thereabouts and our chance. So waiting to lead the MPP. And then say Oma Kennedy Japan did not drink the agra. Well, Lucy never be what you say. And then to what Nancy Adrian say, and it's a mistake. Now, because it's Dr. Bawumia, because Dr. Bawumia no supporters or fan base or conform within the channel more than everyone in the party. Until yourself or then, almost to be sick. To say, no, I then cool it down. Cool it down to be piano. Kama on the side. Problem is say you woni nyina no Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan. He is the only problema. You see MPP as a political party near war or more deal with. Honorable Kennedy Japan pay on a problem with the MPP the work. So the thing I think the MPP can do now is say they should stand firm and make sure say Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan no almost the nature be also jina. Because as I'm talking to you now, he is the only problem MPP as a political party no fight against. He's the only problem. Only how MPP party mo. The MPP party no he is the reason because he is the weapon function against the MPP. He is the weapon the MPP as a political party. Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan is the weapon. And unti say it me fight no. Need to mean free party anymore. No, the or how be and back party in the mobium. Or how be and back party in the mobium. Now, me catch you say, Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan, and that or be say, will lose the grounds, no? That very day na yet to about 31st of January, next month, 31st January, no. That is when he would understand, say, the Honorable Kennedy Japan or yeno will lose sa grounds nina. Yes, because see, as I'm talking to you now, there's a lot of people in MPP. Am I ready to talk about it? Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan. Ama we free party anymore. Send say case yen sign petition say yen Honorable Kennedy Akompio Japan in free party anymore. You see a number of people on be sign petition no less than 20 minutes. I'm telling you, because a lot of people are tired of him. A lot of people are tired of him. So on a more serious note, I'm telling you, say, in the next coming days, we are going to see a lot of people coming out to say, Honorable Kennedy Akompio Japan, echi. Especially in Kwafo na omutai in echi, omuyi adwumadema no, and all those stuffs, no. You will see them coming out and saying that Honorable Kennedy Akompio Japan, echi. That is when you will understand what I'm saying. That is when you would understand what I'm saying, because basically, people would not even want to know the reason why. But the truth is, Honorable Kennedy Akompio Japan is losing his grounds, and day in, day out, people have started, hating on him and all those stuff. And they are there AC, a real a man for be brain on air come once a month on wedding extra madrion. So basically, there, a lot of people will come out and say, declare say they will support him, but now no more share near corner there, withdraw support, and it's going to be something like every blue man for people wouldn't even believe that it's happening, but yes, it's going to happen, and it's going to happen very, very soon, very, very soon, and that's the honest truth. That is the honest truth about Honorable Kennedy Akompio Japan. So this is what you need to know. Say, Honorable Kennedy Akompio Japan, no, here's the problem, because today you can't blame Dr. Bawumia for the economy because he's not a finance minister, and as Adwoa Safo said, he is 100% right. He is 100% right. Sorry, she. It's higher Ghana and Sam TV meeting. I'm just going to promise. My catch said TikTok, I promise the blogger. Facebook, I promise the blogger. Sanso and Instagram, and I think so X, and as formerly known as Twitter, and so I promise the blogger. And don't wait to follow me. I will leave you a comment. Our videos nina I say. We so YouTube no. Yes, we perceive build a crowd or so on why to know to me. I subscribe and so to be chatting on and also promise the blogger studios. Naturally, be an I come and so and not to me what didn't your comment section then and I would unify a Honorable Kennedy Akompio Japan in sense someone else would you say he is the problem of the party who did some address of work as an honorable sorry not from the Bawumia finance minister and TMA problem no airman and farmer a year can Ofori Atta would you say and correct and I say would you say and yet no correct we a debate to me who are drinking into a drink and obey our comment section in more Eddie Mamma Bibi and so I kama Eddie Amma Yang and don't see Mammy who are doing your comment section in Higher Ghana and Sam TV meeting. I just